Lesson 1. Do for emphasis. Do, does, did. Listen to 4 conversations using do for emphasis. Conversation 1. 2 people talk about sports. Why doesn't the man like golf?
Do you like sports?
No, but I do like golf.
Golf?
You don't like golf?
I did like it when I was younger, but not now.
Oh, I love it. Why don't you like it anymore?
It's just too expensive.
True, it does cost a lot to play.
Question 1. Why doesn't the man like golf? The answer is, it is too expensive. Conversation 2. 2 people talk about food. Who makes pancakes for breakfast?
Do you cook much?
I do cook a lot.
What do you cook?
Just easy stuff like pasta dishes. And you?
I don't cook much. I do cook breakfast, though.
Really? I never cook breakfast. My husband does make me pancakes sometimes, though.
Question 2. Who makes pancakes for breakfast? The answer is, her husband. Conversation 3. 2 people talk about TV shows. What does the man watch on TV?
Do you watch much TV?
I do watch a lot of TV.
What do you watch?
I watch dramas. And you?
I rarely watch TV. I do watch the news sometimes, though.
How depressing. The news always makes me feel sad.
Yeah, it does get depressing sometimes.
Question 3. What does the man watch on TV? The answer is, the news. Conversation 4. 2 people talk about family. Who did the man see over the holidays?
Do you have any kids?
I don't. And you?
I do have kids, but they are all grown now.
Do they live near you?
They did live near me, but they moved.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too. They do still visit a lot, though.
Did you see them over the holidays?
I did see them. We had a really nice time together.
Question 4. Who did the man see over the holidays? The answer is, his kids.